Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a solar powered river cleaner system. And in this system, we have used here a solar panel, and this solar panel will be used here for recharge our batteries. And in this system, we have included a IoT platform that can be used here for control this robot from remote area. So first of all, we need to show you that it's a solar charge controller, and this solar charge controller will be control the charge with solar panel and our battery. So we used here two switch, one for our main switch and this one for our battery. So first of all, we power on our battery switch. It's showing the voltage, and now we will switch on our main part, and you see that our system is powering on. So this is the main controlling part of our IoT platform, and it's a river cleaning system. And you see that it's left turbine control, left turbine rotation change, it's right turbine control, right turbine rotation change, and it for our conveyor belt. First of all, we will control our conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is trying to collect dust, and that will be stored in this jar, and we can control this rotation of this wheel. So you see that. So now we will control our motors, and it's our left side, that one is our right side. So first of all, we will control this one. This one is for our front movement. So on that case, our both motor will be go forward, that one also forward, and we need to go reverse. Then we will reverse this one and turn on. This one is for reverse. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again, and Allah Hafiz.